In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on live captions in Microsoft Teams. If you're in a Teams call or meeting and you want extra help following the conversation, live captions can be a really useful feature. They display spoken words as text on your screen in real time, which can make meetings easier to understand, especially if audio is unclear, someone is speaking quickly, or you simply want extra visual support while listening. To begin, make sure you are already inside an active call or meeting in Microsoft Teams. This feature is turned on from within the meeting controls, so you won't be able to access it before joining. Once you're in the meeting, look for the toolbar that appears with your call controls. From there, click on More. This is the menu that gives you access to additional meeting options beyond the main controls. Depending on your screen size or version of Teams, it may appear as 3 dots. If you don't see the toolbar right away, move your mouse slightly over the meeting window and it should appear. After opening the More menu, hover over Language and Speech. This section contains settings related to spoken language features, including transcription and captions. Hovering here will open another small menu with more options, so take your time and make sure you're selecting the correct item. Next, click on Show Live Captions. As soon as you do that, Microsoft Teams will begin displaying captions on the screen during the meeting. These captions usually appear over the lower part of the meeting window and update automatically as people speak. If the captions don't seem perfectly accurate, keep in mind that live captions depend on audio quality, microphone clarity, and speech pace. For the best results, it helps when participants speak clearly and avoid talking over one another. Even with that in mind, live captions are still a great accessibility tool and can be very helpful for note-taking or staying engaged in longer meetings. That's all it takes to turn on live captions in Microsoft Teams. Once enabled, you can continue with your meeting as usual while following the conversation on screen. If you need to adjust anything later, you can return to the same More menu and check the language and speech options again. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to turn on live captions in Microsoft Teams.